Oh my gosh, guys, I'm going to show you in this video a working way to get free Crunchyroll Premium. I discovered a website that actually has free Crunchyroll Premium. You will not believe it. So the website is called ogsnags.com. You can actually get like Crunchyroll codes on here. So just go to the search bar and type it in and press on it, press show coupon code, and it will generate. So before it generates, you just want to press get full code, and it's going to bring you over here. So it's going to say, like, what do you like the most about shopping at Amazon? It's kind of odd, but the honest truth is you can do any of these. So I'm just going to say super fast shipping. And I know it says Amazon, but they're just like working with Crunchyroll. So anyway, guys, now you have to enter your email. So make sure you guys put an email address you can access because they are going to send it to this email. All right, so next thing is survey and registration. So before we can get free Crunchyroll Premium, we do have to register, guys, so it's very easy to do. So let me just go ahead and put this in right here, as you can see. So I'm just typing in all the information because I don't want to get banned or anything. So let me just put this in right here, as you can see. All right. Just typing it. Okay. So after you do this, the next thing is you need to basically do a survey, which is really easy. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. And it's time for the survey. So I'm just going to answer all the questions. So let me just do that right here so you guys can see. All right. And it's a very simple survey, very quick. So after you do it, just press I agree and continue, and it's going to bring us to the final step, which is the deals. So the deals are pretty easy. They're like download an app, and you have to reach like a certain level on it. This is the final step. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, so it says you did your registration, your survey, and your sponsored offers. Now complete deals to claim. And I know it says Amazon gift card, but it is free Crunchyroll Premium. So let's just wait for this to load, and you guys will see the magic. So basically, as you can see, it says complete one deal to continue. I would just do the Monopoly Go one. You said to reach level 11, and it costs $0. Now, there's no guarantee you'll see Monopoly Go, but just do the game-related one where it's like reach certain level. And make sure it says $0, and you should be all set, guys.